Who is ready for fall? This is it. This is from the Statements collection. It's called Make Waves, and the Make Waves color is F2629, and I'm going to leave the link below so you can look this up and check it out. The Statements collection, as you know, is a very high quality, budget friendly, affordable wigs with the bells and whistles. Look at the lace front on that, and see how it has those really light colors in the front. And look, this is yummy, okay? This is yummy. And you can see here that it's got a machine cap, lace front, so that you can, it's got some permatease in there so you can really get some volume. Yep, look at that. Pull it back down, just rake your fingers through it. This is gorgeous. You could style this and train it for off the face, tuck it behind the ear, or bring it all forward for really fun. I think they're calling this like a Bixie look. It's kind of got a little bit of a bob and a pixie. This is gorgeous. This feels glamorous. This feels like I need to go somewhere and get a pumpkin spice latte. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to tuck it behind my ears. What you have to know is this is what we're doing for fall because we want to pull out our plaid, right? So let's pull out some plaid and see how this looks. I'm going to tuck it in. This is the way we do it in Europe. You always have a scarf up around with your jacket over it. So here we go. We're ready. Let's go. Meet you at the pumpkin patch. Doing my darlings. Bye.